So welcome back. In this tutorial we'll look at the for each loop which is used for arrays and for collections. So the first thing, I have to add an item to this, and I'll call it for each loop. I'll call it array for each loop array. Okay, so what I simply have to do here is sub main good. So I'll create an array. I want to use a for loop to create an array. So I'll make a simple for, let me do this theme. Let me just call, you take the score of 5 students as integer. So for I equals to 0 to 4, console, let's write enter score. Enter score. So I'll have, let me make another thing. Let me make this score. I'll have score equals to console dot read. So this will store those scores inside, which is not just scores but scores of I. Scores of I. So now I want to print it out. Sorry, it's a repetition. I want to print this out. So to print this out, I'll just, okay, let me just do something here. Say console dot write score. If I run this, I change the property first, which is in tutorial. Change the property to this, and I run it. You see, the enter score. First I enter 10, enter score, so I enter 21. This, which is this, it will give me an error because I'm not specifying which how will I call it? I'm not specifying which value, that is which index to print in that score. So to do that, I can say for each, see this, for each what element as data type in collection, for each score, or let me say for each I as integer in what is score, then what will happen? You console dot write I. So when I do this, the console write, so console dot read, the read key, so equal to run it, and you see that the print are those scores. For the 12, this, 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 it printed them out for me. So this is using for each loop. I use the for loop to store the values in the array, and also I use a for each loop to print out those values. To print out those values in the array. I can use a for loop and use any other loop to print out the values in the array, but it's more easier to use a for each loop whenever you want to print the values in an array or in a collection. Now, you see this, I tell you, in modern programming languages, when you have an array declared with the size of 5, for instance, it only takes from 0 to 4. But in VB, if it wants array of 5, you declare the size to be 4, because the 0 index is also a size. I just hope you understood this brief tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and have a nice time.